I have been on and off and off and on and on and on and off and off ever since. Just post. At the end of the day, if they rock with you, girl, they gonna watch everything. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys some tips and tricks that I would do if I were to start YouTube over in 2023. Let's get it. So if I were to start YouTube over in 2023, the first thing that I would do is I would be consistent. So I started my channel back in 2012, and y'all, I have been on and off and off and on and on and on and off and off ever since. If I were consistently posting a video every week for like the past 11 years, I would have at least 600 videos on YouTube, and I can only imagine where I would be right now. Be consistent. I know everyone says the same thing. Oh, be consistent. Post every week. Post twice a week. But honestly, y'all, it's the only way that you're gonna grow. The second thing that I would do if I were starting YouTube in 2023 is I would ditch a niche, okay? Ditch a niche. And this is something that a lot of creators have been pushing and encouraging for some time now. Just post. You don't have to try to figure it out right away.
Oh my god, what am I gonna post? What should I be posting every week? Oh, I have to post every week.
At the end of the day, if they rock with you, girl, they gonna watch everything. I think I wasted so much time within these past years trying to figure out what to do. I got discouraged. I was like, oh, they want weight gain videos, but I'm not gaining weight right now. Or, you know, they want clothing hauls, but I haven't been shopping. The third thing is do not listen to everyone's opinions, okay? I'm gonna start from, so I told y'all I started YouTube in 2012, and I was probably about 12 years, I probably was about 11 or 12, I don't even know, but you do the math, I'm 24. And when I was in high school, I would do YouTube, but I low-key slowed down from doing YouTube because I was so worried about what everybody and their mama used to think. Like, people would watch my videos, come to school, talk about it, and some were like good comments, some were negative comments, and I let it get to me. If I could go back in time and do YouTube, I would have stayed consistent all through high school, all through college, because who knows where I could have been right now. Please, take it from me. Do not listen to everyone's opinion. Everybody do not know what it takes for you to be successful. Do not take advice from people that are not in a position that you want to be. They will slow down your creative process. They will slow down your productivity. Just don't do it, especially if it's negative advice. Tune that out and tune into people that are where you want to be, because you need to pay attention to them and figure out how they got where you want to be. If your niche is something that your friends don't really care about, so what? Like, they're not the one who's gonna be paying you at the end of the day. Your success does not lie in their hands. Tap into God. Like, I'm always gonna encourage y'all to tap into faith, tap into God, because certain places that you want to get to, it's gonna take a miracle from God for it to happen. Develop that relationship with God. We be listening to so many outside people. God gave you that desire for a reason. Everyone isn't gonna understand your vision. You know why? Because it's your vision. God put it inside your head. He didn't put it inside your mama head. He didn't put it inside your brother head. He didn't put it inside your sister head. He put it inside your head. So what does that mean? Tap into it, y'all. Build that relationship. If you have a desire to do something that can change the world and that can be positive, that didn't come from the wrong source, okay? That came from God. And sometimes it do come from the wrong source, so just be careful, y'all.
I'm always gonna push that, period.
Another thing I would have done if I were starting YouTube over in 2023 is I would have learned how to understand YouTube analytics a little bit quicker. When you post a video, you can see the performance of the video, and I would have definitely learned YouTube analytics, like terms like RPM, CPM, percentage of video view, view duration. Like, I would have definitely learned what those words meant a lot quicker, because I feel like it would have helped me understand my channel. When I look back at my channel and I see the videos that I dropped throughout the years, I realized that there was just so much I didn't know and so much that I didn't tap into. And so I would learn YouTube analytics a little bit quicker, just so I can know this is what this means and this is how I can change it in the next video. I feel like knowing the analytics definitely would have helped me make creative decisions a little bit faster, because I got so caught up on certain things that I'm like, that don't even matter, yo. Hey, if you reached this far in my video, you might as well click the subscribe button because obviously you like what you are seeing. So definitely, if you want more videos like this one, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and give me a big old thumbs up, because I guess it tells YouTube that you rock with me, and I need them to know that. So love y'all. You don't want to get too consumed by the numbers. You want to find a balance of knowing the analytics, knowing how to read the analytics, but not getting so caught up in the analytics that you're discouraging yourself, okay? Because let's say you get like 10 views on one video. Don't stop, keep going. The analytics, it's important, but don't get too caught up in it, because I think once you understand that consistency is really where you will see the results, it will all make sense. Ditch the comparison. I definitely would have ditched me comparing myself to people. It's so easy to do. Like, you see people who started a channel years after you, and you're like, oh my gosh, she blew up in like 2 months and it's taken me like 10 years, right? And then, you know, you realize where you go wrong with things. But anyway, you get so caught up in like comparing yourself, and that stops your growth too. So if I were to do YouTube over, I would not compare myself to people. And it's hard, but you have to continuously like throw those thoughts out of your mind and attract better thoughts into your mind. Comparing yourself is really the thief of joy. Let me tell y'all why you shouldn't compare yourself. The reason why you shouldn't compare yourself is because God has a plan for everybody, right? And if God gave you these desires and he gave you this plan to carry out, you don't gotta worry about the next person, because everything is on his timing. And so if you truly believe that God created you for a bigger purpose and he has a plan for you, then you will know that everything happens within his timing. And whenever you get that big break, it's gonna happen because God wanted it to happen. You don't want things to happen at the wrong time. That's not God's timing. If something happened for us on our time, it wouldn't be the same as God's time. God has a plan for all of us. Another thing that I would have done differently if I were starting YouTube this year is I definitely would have started to treat YouTube like a business. When I say treat it like a business, I mean that's where your consistency comes in. This is hard now, but you know, the work will pay off later. When I say treat it like a business, I don't want y'all to get caught up in the fact that you can make money off YouTube. Honestly, take money out of your head when you first start your channel. Don't even think about it, because A, it's gonna take you a long time before you really start making money. And it may not. You may blow up overnight, cool. But I'm just saying, like, for you to really start making a living where like you could take care of your family and yourself, it's gonna take a minute. That don't happen that fast. Everybody who I've known have done it, it took them time. Now, it takes less time than other people, but just know you're gonna have to put in that work. Think about putting in hard work. Think about being consistent. Think about how you can help people. Like, a lot of people start a channel because they have something within them to help people. Like, I started my channel to help people, okay? Whether it be fashion, fitness, lifestyle. Even if I just want y'all to laugh at one of my videos, like, I started this to help, to be a light in a world full of darkness. And so if you don't have a purpose of why you're doing it, and this is just any business, not just YouTube, but if you don't have a why, and it's a good, strong why that can help the world be a better place, then you may want to rethink why you're even doing it in the first place. Honestly, I would have treated it like a business in terms of being consistent, holding it dear to my heart, treating it like a little baby. If YouTube was my baby, I've been a horrible, toxic mom. Treat it like something that's super important. Treat it like a business. Treat it like something that, and I'm saying kids are a business. This metaphor is getting too far. Have a purpose, have goals, set goals, have an agenda, have some type of structure, but still keep it fun. Another thing is the 3 M's. Market myself more. I definitely would have marketed myself more. I wouldn't have been afraid to market myself. Like, even now, the people that I follow, they either knew me from high school, knew me from college, and just to be real with y'all, a lot of people do not support me. Like, a lot of people I know don't support me. It's not a secret. You can go on my page and see how many, like, you can really go on my page and see how much support people that know me actually gives me. If I would start YouTube over in 2023, I would market myself more and be unapologetic about it. And I feel like oftentimes we don't market ourselves because we're worried about what people that know us is gonna think. But then again, people that know us isn't going to determine our success. I would tell myself like, look, you can do this, girl. I would post myself on every social platform. I would not be afraid to post. And it was just like, whoever don't like it, like, I don't care. So I would market myself everywhere other than YouTube. And if I get 0 likes, whatever. It's sad to say, but like the people that know you, they're not gonna be the ones to support you. It's gonna be people that don't know you from a can of paint. And once they start supporting you, then the people that know you will start supporting you. Market yourself, M-Y-M, more. That's what I would do. Today, I may make a part 2 to this video because this is just some gems that I am dropping, and I hope that you guys were able to gain something out of this video. I love you guys so much. Remember to cherish your body, girl. Love your skin, because baby girl, that is where it all begins. And remember that fitness is a lifestyle, but body positivity is an attitude. You got to love yourself, okay? And remember, seek that relationship with God, because you can't get nowhere in this world without him, boo. Okay, I don't care what you say, you just can't, all right? And his opinion is the only one that matters, so period. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to hear from y'all. Comment down below and let me know your favorite part of this video. Bye, y'all.